Here's an installation on the Diamond Grage product. This is just a simple tailgate. What we did is we, at the graphics shop, just like we do with everything, we cut it for either the size or the specs that our customer requests. Again, it's just to make the installation a little bit easier than sending out a full sheet and then trying to work around these big Ford logos and tailgate handles and whatnot. Adam is not pre-masking this because it is Diamond Grage, so it's a very thick material. And then what he's doing is just like he's done everything, hinge it, line it up. He did not tack the vinyl this time because the Diamond Grage is a more aggressive adhesive. So in this case what he did is his hinge is a smaller hinge so that he doesn't have too much material to work with. Almost a foot, foot and a half, even 2 feet is going to be plenty. And then again, it just makes for easier application, limits the amount of bubbles that you can get into it, and you can see how thick and brittle that material is. But again, he's just kind of lining it up and then working out the air. And then go back and seal kind of the edges. Always working from the inside out, so make sure all the air gets released. He's done some pre-existing cut marks for like the tail light or to the tailgate handle and that Ford logo. This will help for the easier application, so because you cannot go back and cut on the vehicle, and you do not want, for the Diamond Grage, you do not want it to leave the material open. If you do not seal the edges for the Diamond Grage because of that honeycomb effect, it will allow water, air, dirt, anything to get trapped inside of it. And because it was already pre-cut, you can see how easy that little application was instead of trying to go back and cut around it or do anything like that afterwards. It just helps for a lot of these contour angles and these body lines that these vehicles have nowadays. Even the Ford Explorer can have some issues just because of all the contours to make these vehicles look more sporty looking. Also, if you notice during this application, Adam has been using a felt. You can see a little bit better there is squeegee. It's not the gray color. We actually put like a little sleeve over the top of it. So if anything's not pre-masked, we do cover the squeegees to not leave marks or blemishes on there. It just makes the application go a little bit smoother, protects the vinyl. So you can either pre-mask this or you can use like a felt squeegee sleeve, and that also can help the application. Because you can see there's no scuff marks on it at the very end. And now he's just peeling off the tape to show you the final product. And as you can see, that little honeycomb effect, that is the Diamond Grage material.